Figure 8 has to do with making decisions, and in this series of several smaller videos, I'll talk about the different kind of decisions we might need to make. One would be, will we accept a special order, which is the one that we'll look at in this short video. Others will be deciding whether to discontinue a department or to keep it going. Also, what product mix decisions we should make to optimize our profit. Um, and also, should we make or buy a product? So should we outsource the manufacturing to someone else, or should we continue making it ourselves? So in all these decisions, there are going to be relevant costs that we'll include in our decision, and there'll be things that we ignore. So let's start with a relatively simple example, and that's a special order decision. And what I'm going to show is the short problem that comes out of your homework problem. So this was a simple problem or short problem 8-5 special order decision. Here's what shows up in the textbook, and then here's the solution. So we'll talk through this together. So in this situation, we have a company that sells oil filters ordinarily for $3.25 each. But a retailer is offered to purchase 20,000 oil filters for $1.55 each, which is significantly less. So the total cost per filter to manufacture is $2.10. But what we're going to see is that there's some costs that aren't relevant that we shouldn't include in there. So they tell us that only $1.30 is the variable cost of manufacturing that kind of filter. In addition, they will have to purchase some special equipment for $8,000 for that product, for that order. So this is how we would lay it out, is that we have 20,000 filters times $1.55 equals 31,000. And then here is the variable cost of manufacturing these filters, not including all the overhead costs that would exist whether we did this order or didn't do this order. So we don't allocate any of those non-relevant costs in. So it'd be 20,000 filters times $1.30, and the variable cost would be 26,000. Plus we need to add in that special equipment cost. And we end up with a total cost of the order of 34,000. And you can see this would not be a good decision, because we would lose $3,000 on that order. So this is the type of scenario that we'll go through, where we'll have a particular thing to consider, and then we'll have to decide, should we do it or shouldn't we do it? In this case, we shouldn't do it.